everyone, and welcome to today's presentation on the benefits of ICT in education. As we all know, technology has become an integral part of our lives, and the education sector has not been left behind. ICT, or information and communication technology, has transformed the way we teach and learn, making education more interactive, engaging, and accessible. Through ICT, students can access a vast amount of information and research at their fingertips, making learning more efficient and effective. Plus, teachers can create innovative and personalized teaching methods that cater to each student's individual needs. In this presentation, we will delve deeper into the first ways ICT has revolutionized education and its immense benefits. Thank you for joining us. Let's get started. In education, ICT information and communication technology has become an important component in the modern education system. The following is the understanding of the role of ICT in several aspects of education, including faster access to information, distance learning, increasing student motivation, collaboration and communication, and increasing digital literacy. The first one, faster information access. Faster information access to information through ICT allows students to search and access a wide range of learning resources, including academic articles, lecture videos, and online learning research. This allows students to learn independently and effectively, especially in the context of distance learning. ICT helps reduce the time needed to search for information so that students can focus on their own learning process. Thus, students can access relevant learning research and expand their knowledge quickly and effectively. 2. Distance learning and learning. Distance and e-learning using ICT to deliver educational materials through online platforms. This allows students to learn from anywhere and anytime without being bound by physical location. ICT enables the delivery of educational materials that are more flexible and can be accessed by students in various locations. Learning platforms such as Coursera and Khan Academic provide courses from leading universities, allowing students to learn new skills and gain certification. 3. Increasing student motivation. Student motivation increases when ICT is used in the learning process. Technology provides opportunities for students to make learning more interesting and fun. ICT makes the learning process more interactive by using tools such as interactive whiteboards, digital text, and multimedia presentation. This increases the opportunity for students to be actively involved in the learning process so that they are more motivated to learn and remember the material. Therefore, collaboration and communication. Collaboration and communication between student and teacher become more effective by using ICT. Platforms such as Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack enable balanced communication and collaboration. ICT allows students to collaborate on projects carried out remotely. This allows students to communicate and share research more easily. thus increasing their ability to collaborate and communicate. The last, improving digital literacy. Digital literacy includes in student ability to use information and communication technology effectively. ICT helps students develop digital skill and such as programming, data analysis, and digital literacy. These skills are very needed in the modern industry, especially in the field of information and communication technology. Thus, ICT plays an important role in improving the quality of education through faster access to information, flexible distance learning, increased student motivation and communication, and improves digital literacy. ICT, information and communication technology, has many benefits in education that improve student learning experience and teaching efficiency. Here is some of the main benefits. The first, accessibility and research availability. ICT allows students to access various online educational research, such as books, learning videos, and courses from leading universities, thus expanding learning opportunities beyond the traditional curriculum. 2. Increase student engagement and motivation. The use of ICT tools make learning more interactive and interesting, which can increase student involvement. When students are actively involved in the learning process, their motivation to learn also increases. 3. Personal learning. ICT supports personalized learning by allowing students to learn according to their own pace and learning style. Adaptive learning platform can adjust content based on student individual needs. The 4. Better collaboration and interaction. With ICT, students can collaborate more effectively through platforms such as Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams, which allow communication and collaboration in projects in real time. 5. Digital skill development. The use of ICT in education helps students develop important digital skills such as data analysis, programming, and digital literacy, which are much needed in today's working world. This improvement of teaching efficiency. ICT make it easier for teachers to plan and deliver teaching materials more effectively, as well as manage classes better through the use of digital tools. 7. Innovation in learning methods. ICT encourages innovation in teaching methods such as the use of virtual reality for practical simulation, making the learning experience more in-depth and interesting. 9. Support distance learning. ICT is very important in supporting distance learning, allowing students to learn from home with access to teaching material and interaction with teacher online. The last, improving the quality of education. By utilizing technology, the quality of education can be improved. Methods, access to video research, and increasing student involvement. Overall, ICT integration in education not only improves the learning experience but also prepares students for future challenges in an increasing digital world. Do you know? Has information and communication technology or ICT made you smarter or just more as common to information? Information and communication technology or ICT has made a significant contribution in improving cognitive abilities and efficiency in various aspects of life. Here are some arguments that support that ICT has made us smart. 1. Information processing. ICT allow humans to process and understand complex data better. Technologies such as virtual reality or VR and mixed reality or MR help in substitution process, mobilize the power of creativity, and assimilate information in complex database. To memory improvement, writing and extracting ideas through social media and the internet improve memory. Research show that writing requires more cognitive effort than just reading, thus improving the ability to remember various things. 3. Digital literacy. Learning digital literacy makes it easier for someone to be educated and become smart in using digital devices. This allows individuals to be creative, wise, and innovative in the internet. 4. The influence of children's character. The progress of ICT also affects children's character by shaping aspects of their lives. Children who are familiar ICT tend to have better cognitive abilities and are more skilled in various fields. However, keep in mind that the use of ICT also has negative sides, such as the human tendency to depend on technology and experience the risks associated with digital use. Therefore, it is important to use ICT wisely and continue to learn to maximize its benefits. Here are some interesting statistical data about the impact of information and communication technology or ICT on cognitive and learning. The first, increased device usage. In 2020, the number of smart devices connected to internet is estimated to reach almost 24 billion, increasing from 84 billion in 2017, showing the integration of technology that is increasing deeply in daily life. 2. Positive effect on cognition. Research show that writing about information helps improve memory. A study found that participants who wrote information remember it better than those who just read it. 3. Digital education games. The use of ICT-based digital educational games has been proven to increase the cognitive thinking ability of early childhood. The last, increasing in learning activities. In a study using Bamboozle digital learning media, children learning activities experience a significant increase, with learning outcomes 99% in the second cycle. This data shows that ICT not only makes us more familiar with information, but also has the potential to increase cognitive abilities and learning effectiveness. The most effective types of software learning English. The first, Duolingo. Is a popular foreign language learning application released in 2012. This application uses the gamification method, making it fun and interactive. Users can learn more than 14 languages through short lessons that include reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Advantages of Duolingo. The first, free and easy to access. Duolingo offers full features at no cost, although there is a subscription option to eliminate ads. 2. Fun learning method. With a point and level system, users are motivated to keep learning. 3. Language variation. Providing courses in many languages, including less common languages. 3. Short lesson is designed to be easy to digest in a short time. Disadvantages of Duolingo. The first, less deep, more focused on basic vocabulary and persuasive grammar. 2. Limited vocabulary. Some of the vocabulary that is taught is rarely used in everyday conversation. And 3. Communication limitation. There is no feature to interact with other users directly. Overall, Duolingo is an effective tool for beginners, but should be used together with other methods to achieve language fluency. Babbel is a language learning application that was launched in 2007, known as one of the first language learning applications in the world. This application offers courses in 14 languages, including Spanish, French, and German, with a focus on language can be used in everyday situation. Babbel Advanced. The first one, practical content. Babbel teaches a relevant vocabulary and phrases to be used in everyday conversation, helping users communicate quickly. The two, regular learning structure. Each lesson lasts about 10 until 15 minutes and is built to build prior knowledge using and schedule repetition method to memorize. Teaching by experts. Learning materials is developed by a professional linguistic team, providing a strong foundation for beginners. Accessibility. Available on web platform and mobile application, allowing users to link anytime and anywhere. Disadvantage, language restriction. Although it offers 14 languages, this option is still limited compared to some other applications. Inconsistent content varies. The amount of content and features varies between languages, with some languages not having advanced levels. Training formats tend to be monotonous. Some users report that the exercise can be boring and repetitive. Subscription fee. Babbel requires a subscription fee for full access, which can be a problem for some people. Overall, Babbel is an effective tool for language learning for beginners, but it might be better used as a complement to other learning methods of achieve fluency. Development of digital skills. The first one, accessibility and availability of resources. ICT allows students to access various online educational resources, including ebooks, articles, learning videos, and daring courses. In help students learn anytime and anywhere, increase hard work in the learning process. 2. Increases student engagement and motivation. The use of digital tools such as multimedia, educational games, and interactive platforms can increase student interest and motivation to learn. Students tend to be more involved in learning when they using interest. And 3. Personal learning with ICT. Teachers can adjust open material according to the individual needs of students. Adaptive learning platform can provide custom exercise based on student abilities, allowing them to learn at their own pace. The 4. Better collaboration and interaction. ICT facilitates collaboration between students through online learning platform and social media. Students can work together, can project, share ideas, and discuss virtually, which improve their social and communication skills. The last, improvement of teaching efficiency. By using technology to manage administrative and teaching tasks, teachers can save time and focus more on teaching itself. This also allows the use of more innovative and intrinsic teaching methods. This shows that technology can be an effective solution for education to continue even to difficult conditions. Improving the quality of education with all these benefits, ICT integration contributes to improving the overall quality of education. Students get a better learning experience, while teachers have better tools to teach and support student progress. Hello everyone, as we come to the end of this presentation, let's take a moment to reflect on one of the most important aspects of modern education, the use of ICT or information and communication technology. We live in a digital age where technology is all around us, and it has revolutionized the way we learn and teach. The benefits of incorporating ICT into education are immense. It enhances student engagement, promotes collaborative learning, and provides access to a vast array of research. It also prepares students for the digital world and equips them with the necessary skill for future success. Incorporating ICT in education not only improve academic performance but also nurture creative and critical thinking. It enables personal learning and caters to different learning styles. This technology-driven approach creates a dynamic learning environment, making education more interactive and engaging.